Introducing the eufy Robot Vacuum E25, a complete all-in-one cleaning solution for your home, and make sure to check the link in the description for the best price. This upgraded smart vacuum combines 20,000 pascals turbo suction with a HydroJet roller mop system, delivering professional-grade cleaning for carpets, wood, tiles, and hard floors. Its self-washing rollers refresh twice per second, ensuring a spotless mop clean without any interruption, while the all-in-one station makes cleaning effortless by providing automated self-emptying, self-washing, self-refilling, and hot air drying in a single compact unit. Pet owners will appreciate the DuoSpiral anti-tangle brushes, designed to prevent hair and fur from clogging the system, keeping your home free from debris with minimal maintenance. With the CornerRover arm, it covers edges and corners perfectly, ensuring no dust or dirt is left behind. Its AI obstacle avoidance intelligently navigates furniture and household items, avoiding collisions and damage, while Wi-Fi connectivity allows you to control, schedule, and monitor cleaning via the app. For added convenience, the E25 works seamlessly with Alexa for voice-activated commands, simplifying daily routines. Regular firmware updates enhance performance and add new features over time, giving you a smarter cleaning experience. Compact yet powerful, this robot vacuum is designed to save time, reduce effort, and maintain a clean, fresh home environment every day. Ideal for busy households or anyone seeking hands-free cleaning, the eufy E25 combines innovation, power, and convenience into one sleek, reliable robot vacuum and mop system.